To send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet and some Bitcoin in it. First, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and a computer or mobile device with a Bitcoin wallet installed. There are many types of Bitcoin wallets, including software wallets, hardware wallets, and online wallets. Choose a wallet that suits your needs and follow the instructions to set it up. Once you have your wallet set up, you need to obtain the Bitcoin address of the recipient. A Bitcoin address is a unique string of characters that starts with a 1 or a 3 and is usually around 34 characters long. You can ask the recipient to provide you with their Bitcoin address, or you can scan a QR code that contains the address. After you have the recipient's Bitcoin address, open your Bitcoin wallet and navigate to the Send or Transfer section. Enter the recipient's Bitcoin address in the address field, making sure to double-check that it is correct. Even a small mistake can result in your Bitcoin being sent to the wrong address, and it may be impossible to recover. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter the amount in Bitcoin or in your local currency, depending on the wallet you are using. Make sure you have enough Bitcoin in your wallet to cover the amount you want to send, plus any transaction fees. Transaction fees are small amounts of Bitcoin that are paid to the miners who verify transactions on the Bitcoin network. Before you send the Bitcoin, review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct. Check the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin, and the transaction fee. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction and it will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. It may take some time for the transaction to be verified by the miners, usually around 10 to 30 minutes. Once the transaction is verified, it will be added to the blockchain, which is the public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. The recipient will then be able to see the transaction in their wallet and spend the Bitcoin. To ensure the security of your Bitcoin transaction, make sure to use a reputable wallet and keep your computer or mobile device secure. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet. Also, be careful when sending Bitcoin to a new address, as transactions are irreversible. Always double-check the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin before confirming the transaction.